Hi everyone, this is Michael. So today we are going to do a walkthrough on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So here is the overview. This activity provides you with an Amazon Web Services AWS account where an AWS Elastic Beanstalk environment has been pre-created for you. You will deploy code to it and observe the AWS resources that make up the Elastic Beanstalk environment. So let's go to task 1. We're going to access the Elastic Beanstalk environment. So in the console, in the search box to the right of services, we're going to search Elastic Beanstalk. So here it is. Now, a page title environment should be open. It should show a table that lists the details for an existing Elastic Beanstalk application. Note that if the status in the health column is not okay, it has not finished starting yet. Just wait a few moments and it should change to okay. Alright, so our health here is okay. So it's good to continue. So under the environment name column, choose the name of the environment, the dashboard page of your Elastic Beanstalk environments open. Okay, so this environment name, this is our Elastic Beanstalk environment. So notice that the page shows that the health of your application is okay. The Elastic Beanstalk environment is ready to host an application. However, it does not yet have running code. So, test access to the environment. Near the top of the page, choose the domain link, the URL, and in elasticbeanstalk.com. Okay. So when you choose the URL, a new browser tab open. However, you should see that it display HTTP status 404 not found message. So let's click into this, and this is what we have: HTTP status 404 not found. This behavior is expected because this application server doesn't have an application running on it yet. Return to the Elastic Beanstalk console. In the next step, you will deploy code in your Elastic Beanstalk environment. Alright, go back. Go to environment again. So task 2 is to deploy a sample application to Elastic Beanstalk. Before doing that, I'm going to just take a few screenshots of our progress. Okay. So let's go back to the instructions. So we go to download a sample application. We're going to choose this link right here. Okay. So it should be downloaded here. So back to the Elastic Beanstalk dashboard, we will choose upload and deploy. So we will choose 5, then navigate to and open the Tomcat zip file that you just download. Let's go to download, and this should be this one right here. Click into it. Awesome. Is there anything else? We're just going to choose deployed afterward. Okay. Awesome. So it will take a minute or two for the Elastic Beanstalk to update your environment and deploy the application. So after the deployment is complete, we're going to choose the domain URL link, or if you still have the browser tab to display the 404 status, refresh that page, and the web application that you deploy should display this right here. Awesome, it's successfully uploaded. So let's see if I refresh this page again. Is it gonna change anything? Nothing yet. So oh, it's right here, still still updating to your environment. So just wait a few minutes, and then after this is completed, I want to refresh the page, and it should look something like this. Okay. So just be patient with me right for now, and we're just gonna wait. Awesome. So it is completed, and now we see this page right here. Let me refresh this page too. Up, it's still loading, even though we're able to see this right here. Okay. So congratulations, you have successfully deployed an application on Elastic Beanstalk. So back in the Elastic Beanstalk console, we're going to choose configuration in the left panel. Configuration at the left panel. So notice the details here. For example, in the instance traffic and scaling panel is indicated the EC2 security groups, minimum and maximum instances, and instance type details of the Amazon Elastic Computer Cloud Amazon EC2 instances that are hosting your web application. Instance traffic and scaling panel. Right here. You have security group. Hosting our web application right here. Okay. So in the network, database, and tag panel, network, database, and tag panel. This is network and database right here. You have no option configure. So no configuration details display because the environment does not include a database. In the networking, database, and tag row, choose edit. Networking and database, right? Networking and database, tag row. Let's see. So they meant this right here. So let's edit this one. Let's see what we can do. So notice that you could easily enable a database to this environment if you wanted to. You only need to set a few basic configurations and choose apply. However, for the purposes of this activity, you do not need to add a database. So choose cancel at the bottom of this screen. Cancel. Okay, now we're back to configuration. So in the left panel under environment, we're going to choose monitoring. Right here, monitoring. So browse through the chart to see the kinds of information you are available to you. So let's see, we have environment health, CPU utilization about 2.46%, network out, there's network in, network out. So that's pretty much it. Awesome. Let's go back. Now, task 3, explore the AWS resources that support your application. But before that, what I want to do is I'm going to take a screenshot for our progress. Okay. Go back here. Task 3, explore the AWS resources that support your application. So in the console, in the search box to the right of the services, we're going to search for and choose EC2 instance. Let me open a new tab right here, and then I'm going to choose EC2 instance. Services. Alright, now we will choose instances. You know that 2 instances that support your web application are running. They both contain SAM in their name. So go to instances. There we have 2, both SAM in their name right here. So if you want to continue exploring the Amazon EC2 service resources that were created by the Elastic Beanstalk, feel free to explore them. You will find a security group with port 80 open, a load balancers that both instances belong to, an auto scaling group that runs from 2 to 6 instances depending on the network load. Though Elastic Beanstalk created these resources for you, you still have access to them. Okay, so let's say we click in here and we want to check things out. So we have instance ID, public IPv4 and private IPv4. DNS, things like that. Here where I am monitoring. Okay. So here's our monitor. We'll take a screenshot for our progress here. I can go back, choose the other one. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this lab. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.